Welcome to Pebbles channel. I hope you're all doing well. Are you excited to continue learning French? So am I. So shall we begin today's class? If you remember, we have learned some relative pronouns. Do you remember them? We learnt two relative pronouns. They were qui and que. What does qui and que mean? Both of them mean who or that or which. We also did a few exercises to see how we use qui and que. So what did we do in those exercises? We joined two sentences using these relative pronouns. And how did we confirm whether we need to use qui or que? Qui is used before a verb and que is used before a subject pronoun. So, I hope you remember this concept. It was a very simple one. Today, we are going to learn two more relative pronouns. The two pronouns we are going to learn today are ou and dont. Ou and dont. Now, the word ou is used to denote a place. Ou, it is used to denote a place. So now, shall we see the use of ou in a sentence? So the sentence is, nous aimons beaucoup le jardin. Vous avez beaucoup de fleurs. We love the garden. It has a lot of flowers. Now we are going to join these two sentences. What would we say in English? We love very much the garden which has many flowers. Now, the word which here is used to denote the garden. So, it is a place. So, when we denote a place in French, we use ou. So, how would we write this sentence? Nous aimons beaucoup le jardin. We like very much the garden where there are a lot of flowers. So instead of vous, we are using ou. So this is how we use the relative pronoun ou. So I hope you understood this. Now shall we move on to the next pronoun? The next pronoun we are going to learn is dont. Dont. I will now give you a sentence where we use dont, similar to the previous sentence. Nous aimons le jardin. Vous avez parlé du jardin. So this is the sentence. Nous aimons le jardin. We love the garden. Vous avez parlé. Do you notice this? This is the passé composé. Yes. You have spoken about the garden. Now, when you join these two sentences, how will you say? We love the garden about which you have spoken or of which you have spoken. So, when you see the word, the partitive article, that is a clue that you need to use dont. So, how will you join these two sentences? Nous aimons le jardin. Now, du jardin. Du jardin is replaced by dont. Dont vous avez parlé. So, this is how you join the sentence. We love the garden of which you have spoken. So, I hope you understood the use of the two relative pronouns. Ou and, what are the pronouns we learned? Ou and dont. In the previous class, we've learned about qui and que. So, I hope you are thorough now with les pronoms relatifs, the relative pronouns.